Hey, it's Matthew, and this is a Hot Wheels 2020 Fast and Furious Full Force set. The cars in the set are the 95 Mazda RX7, the 17 Acura NSX, the 71 Plymouth GTX, the Jaguar XE SV Project 8, and the 70 Dodge Charger RT. So let's open up the first car. So the first car is a 95 Mazda RX7. Then here's the back of the card. It says all the cars in the set. Then the Mazda. So let's open this up. So this car is red. Then the rocket boost right here on the side. And they also made this before in the original Fast set. And it's literally the same exact thing. Just a remake. There's no difference whatsoever. No different wheels, no different tampos, no different tops, no different interior. Everything's just the same. Elektromania designed this car, and we last saw this in the Fast and Furious Fast Tuners mix. This car was driven by Dominic again and was in the Fast and the Furious, Too Fast, Too Furious, and the Fast and the Furious Tokyo Drift. So next up is a 17 Acura NSX. This car is silver, black wheels, no tampos, but they're trying to make it look like what it was from the movie. And you can see the backlights, the logo, the exhaust. And this is a really clean car. Just a silver and then black. This car was also super in 2017, and this is the first time we've seen this car as a premium. This car was first made in 2016, and it was last made as an orange ID car. Tesh Parker drove this car, and it will be in the Fast and Furious 9. So the next car is a 71 Plymouth GTX. So this car is black. And then you can see the two stripes right here. And then on the other side, the headlights. And then the color's like bronze for the rims. And the silver outline around the rims. Backlights. It says Plymouth. And this is a pretty cool car. This car was first made in 2001, and we last saw this in 2012. Dominic also drove this car, and it was in the Fate of the Furious. So next up is the Jaguar XE SV Project 8. So this car is a really nice colored blue. It says SV, then a stripe on the top, black wheels, Jaguar right here. And I really like the color on this car. And the backlights and then the stripe that continued. Huge wing and the exhaust. And this is a really cool car in my opinion. And this is also the first time this car has been a premium. And it would be really cool if they made a super treasure hunt of this in like a dark red. Ryu Asada designed this, and we have only seen this car 4 times. This car will be in Fast and Furious 9. So the last car is a 70 Dodge Charger RT. So this car is matte black, and the detailing is really good right here on the engine. You can see the 3 red spots and the engine. And they first made this in a retro entertainment set. The first time it was in a matte black color like this one, and then the second time it was in a glossy color like this one from the premium set. But in my opinion, I definitely prefer the matte black one. This car was first made in 2011 and was designed by Brendan Vituski. Dominic Toretto was a driver, and this car was in the Fast and the Furious, Fast and Furious, Fast 5, and Fast 7. I'm guessing that we will also see this in Fast and Furious 9. My favorite car from this set is definitely the Jaguar. I really like the blue color on this car. I think it goes a lot better with all the detailing on the side of the Jaguar and on the stripes. So thanks for watching, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and tell me what your favorite car is out of this 2020 Fast and Furious Full Force set.